Merchant Network for Fraud Prevention. FraudXplore Merchant Network is designed for intelligence sharing and collaboration between merchants to identify and deter fraud. When you set up for our fraud prevention plan, you will automatically become part of the merchant network. If you wish to contribute to the merchant network, you can enable the public visibility for your blacklisted record. When you blacklist an order, this information will be processed and shared among the merchants in real time. This real-time data could save other merchants from falling prey to the same fraudster. How to enable the visibility option? Firstly, log into your merchant area. Go to Settings. Under the Advanced options, change the blacklist visibility option to Public. Please rest assured that your identity will appear as anonymous in the public reporting. Click on Save.